back to Two Fun Girls. Today we're going to be showing you how to make an simple recipe of how to make a banana muffin. So here are all the ingredients you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing unsalted butter, sugar, any type of salt, 2 cups, and 3 bananas, of course. We're also going to be needing a spatula or anything to mix with, flour, a potato masher to mash up all the bananas, baking soda, and baking powder. If you don't have both of them like us, I'm going to be showing you what to do on that step. You're also going to be needing some stuff to measure with. 1 teaspoon, measuring cups, and that's it. You're also going to be needing eggs, and last of all, this, a muffin tray with cupcake leaders inside of them. This recipe will make up to 12 muffins. So, let's get started. First, we're going to be adding in 1½ cup of flour. Now that we got 1½ cup of flour in our bowl, we're going to be adding both 1 teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder. If you only have baking powder, you add a little bit more than 1 teaspoon. If you have baking soda, just that, then you're going to add a little bit less than 1 teaspoon. Since we have baking powder right now, we're going to be adding a little bit more. Let's do it. And that should be enough. So next we're going to add ½ teaspoon of salt. So let's do it now. Now it's time to mix. This is just the dry ingredients, but you're going to add the other ingredients in the other bowl and then put them in together. Continue mixing until all of the ingredients are well mixed. So now we're done with this. We can set this aside, but keep the spatula. In a separate bowl, we are going to smash up 3 bananas. You can use a potato masher, or you can go ahead and use a fork to smash them. So this is how the consistency look when you finish mashing up the bananas. So now you're going to be adding 3/4 of a cup of sugar. It's time to add the egg. Now it's time to mix. This is the consistency. The banana chunks can still stay there. It's fine. Now we're going to be adding this dry mixture inside this mixture. It seems like there's too much flour, but it's supposed to be that much. It should be as thick like this. Okay, right. Now we're going to be melting up 1/3 a cup of butter. Now that we got this mixture mixed and I melted 1/3 a cup of butter, it's time to pour it inside of this mixture. You should mix up the mixture until it's like this. It has a pinch of butter, but most of it is already mixed inside of the mixture. Now it's time to put the mixture inside of our tin. So let's do this. Now I'm tapping this tray to avoid the air bubbles coming in. And that should be good. Time to put it in the oven. So we already preheated the oven for 350 degrees. Now I'm going to be setting a timer for 25 to 30 minutes. And then just wait to that long, and then your muffins will be done. So our muffins are ready. They smell so good. Yeah, I know, right? So that's all you have to do to try to make a delicious banana muffin. So don't forget to subscribe, click that notifications bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Bye! You enjoyed the recipe.